Soon it's gonna be Valentine's Day. And I'm gonna be so happy. You know what this calls for? A celebration! Yeah. But I don't know what to do. Just to let you know, guys, have a good Valentine's Day. I don't know why a child is saying this, but who cares? So, I don't know. Have a great Valentine's Day. Just to let you know, I bet if I show you all My Little Pony couples that I've got, so they're married basically. I've only really got two, but yeah. These guys are one of them. So this one is Amethyst Jewel. Yes, that's my name. Sorry, but I'm here to say that I'm gorgeous and I'm better than anyone else. So, sweetie, you go and show yourself off then. Okay. Well, my name is Midnight. Keep holding yourself where we are. God. Right, my name is Midnight Mare, and yes, I might sound like a girl's name, but it's actually a boy. Yeah, I mean, he more acts like a girl, though. Excuse me. What did you just say? Nothing. Come on, let's go. Ugh. She's an idiot. Darling! I know, these couples don't get along, do they? I've actually got a lot of couples. These are the next two. Me first, darling, please. Thank you. Always let a lady go first. I need to polish my nails when I get home tonight, okay? I guess from how lovely I look, you obviously know by my cutie mark as well that I am Dazzle Sparkle Rarity, not just plain rarity. I like myself dazzling Sparkle Rarity. I'm even more beautiful than Rarity, as you'd say. But yes, so here's my couple, Valentine's Day. Ugh, darling, please. Hello, my name, I'm Fluttershy's older, I'm Fluttershy's older brother, and I'm, I love Rarity. She's so awesome. But, I love this one more. Don't I, dear? Oh, yes, obviously. Okay. And Fluttershy, we'll show you her in a minute. She's married to, Rainbow Dash's older brother. So, yeah. Everything worked out fine. Ha-ha! Darling, don't act so stupid. Come on. Okay. Here's the next ones. These two might look very alike, but they only just look like each other, that's all. Us guys, well, you'll obviously. Sweetie. Sorry, dear. You'll obviously know us lots, but you... There we go. Sweetie, please. Well, really, I am Applejack. And yeah, so, yeah. And I love to kick. Whoops. You alright? I'm fine. Applejack, please don't, darling. Right. And we're a perfect couple, so bye. Finally. We've got 2 more. Oh yeah, apple cinnamon through the job. Excuse me, darling. I'm the one that's supposed to have the red carpet. Right, darling. I am Apple Cinnamon, the greatest apple maker in the world. Isn't Applejack, darling? No. I'm Twilight's older sister. So, yes. And I know more about the rarity than she does. Because, you know, there's 2 sets of elements of harmony. The sparkly set and the boring old, Princess Twilight set. Oh, right. Right. And Twilight has said I should do the job for her. Oh, right. But you haven't got wings, though. Excuse me. Nothing. Anyway, see you later. Darling! I'm live at heartstrings. What the? Finally, the cool group. Fluttershy and Rainbow Dash is older sister. Rainbow Dash, are you sure we're supposed to go this way? I'm Rainbow Dash's older brother, yo. Now this way. Whoa, I can't keep up with you. How fast is that supposed to be? Fluttershy, come on. Okay. You know my name is Rainbow Dash. Not Rainbow Dash, I mean. Rainbow Struck. Rainbow Struck? Wow, that's a lovely name. You didn't even know my name throughout this whole year that we've been together? No? Anyway, let's get to doing the names now, guys, okay? Yeah, I'm Fluttershy, the element of kindness. I think we know that, Fluttershy. Okay, I'll go now. Darling, and I am the leader of the Shadow Boats and Equestrian Games and Shadow Boats, Equestrian Games, and the Wonder Colts. So yes, I'll go now. Fluttershy. So yeah, they're all the couples.